Okay, this is the copper sulfate video for the Copper Sulfate Lab. Here I have the sheet that is attached to the assignment. Here I have my aluminum foil, copper sulfate, and the table salt. First step says, line the inside of the evaporating dish with the aluminum foil, fill the evaporating dish with copper solution that's about 3/4 full. So I fold this up, push this in here like that so that the aluminum is inside and covered. Okay, and then I write down what I see. I don't see any change, color change or substance change between these two, the aluminum and the copper sulfate. So the next step, I write down what I see no change. Sprinkle salt over my aluminum. Let's see what happens. Okay. The salt, which is white, looks like it's turning green, and we'll give that a couple minutes. You can see right here that the aluminum foil is starting to turn brown. Let's see if we can get to move it all up. There's definitely a reaction there. You can see the brown inside there. And bubbles. Bubbles are always a good sign. I'm going to pause this and come back in a minute. How do you pause? Can you pause it, or do I have to stop it? I gotta stop it.
Yeah, you gotta stop it.
What kind of film video is this then? Why can't I just pause it and then come back? What's that? Oh, perfect. Yeah. Let me see. So here it is, a couple minutes in. Thank you, Charlize.
Yeah.
Super helpful. You can see the reaction is under full weight here. There's lots of bubbles. And what we're going to look to see is at the end, does the copper solution end up looking the same? Clearly the aluminum does not look the same. And if I look back at mine here, the once blue solution is looking less and less blue. Who's got a reaction that's been underway for a while? Did you guys start?
Yep.
Let's take a quick look over here. Look, that's going to be perfect. And that's what it looks like after it's been reacting for a while. Notice that the blue solution is not nearly as blue as it was, and the aluminum is almost all brownish, like a reddish brown. Nice work, guys. Okay. Let me just see. What other metals react with copper sulfate? That's a really good question. Aluminum is pretty reactive, so any metal that is further above, let's see, if you look at a periodic table, it would be those metals that are to the left of aluminum and past the middle section from scandium to zinc. So all those all those metals would definitely react. It's like you skip over the middle section. Okay, I'm going to cut this so it's not a super long video. And that's it, it's just a small lab activity.